And Odi Ahenkan, BigscoutMedia na prempe any other TikTokers abe clash with Dr Lawrence Tetteh. Efan nsemo obeka na nsemo. Ais ebi mu kire se a tribalistic statement and opasse ye. Mema nchirimu no akire wadwene ama me. Ewo comment section. Hi PENYAH BigscoutMedia. Mesro say ni di mo. Obe like video no da ma subscribe button, samba click notification icon no latest update, samba kire wadwene ama me. Ewo comment section. Obaso no she first enya bi asho. You know, Dr Lawrence Tetteh, one of our software Ghana hanumu a na Ghana fo ni bi abona to ho pa. No the LGBTQ so ejina ku for the komu abra LGBTQ ebe something na abe of the national interest or so free ebo ku for the minimum pampe. Galam said that we quite silent, but for the LGBTQ na he was so vibrant. As now or the boku for the minimum emo ka say obe walking to the Flagstaff house. I could demand a response from ku for the entire on person obe sample. Meanwhile that time ni amfa bi obi anko to ku for the but yeah, man, yes, I said I got to go for the episode of Bessan. Now, you know, about 160, when I say LGBTQ, no, Mahama on Besso Bessama and Trimunia Deba. Instead of say Bessan, Bonabayamran, yeah, my explanations. I'm proud to that, no, not gonna funny be about Dr. Lawrence Tetteh at home, no pay ye. As now, oh, Mr. Kibber told my minimum, Umbe can the tear good so. And it's a bush and say more. On my cram on things, I won't say you're raising banner, be billboard, be a home. I said, yeah, so this nonsense must stop. As a report that so, Dr. Lawrence Tetteh, as of a friend of Worldwide Miracle Outreach, or by your program can see from the 11th to 15th May 2026 year. This nonsense must stop. You say, be LGBTQ, any girl I'm saying once in Obabeka. So, also for Chirebu said, the nonsense now say it must stop. Nina say, we be a TV station, radio station, ewa Accra mountain, so Accra wana ye kanga no. Now the tree ever kasa or honomono, nonsense. Now that nonsense, no, it must stop.
It is a message that God gave to me, the absurdity of life. This nonsense must stop. It's not only about LGBT. LGBT is one of the nonsense. But that's not the only nonsense that must stop. One of the nonsense that must stop was what I spoke to you about this morning. That you sit here in Accra and speak only tree, and you don't speak the Ghana language. It is not fair. Absurdity, it must stop.
And it is so interesting to see, sir, also for Kasakrano. Or can obi kasem one kanga? One confane. Or can obi kasem? What can brofo? Brofo no nonsense, emo software. But obi catch you a Ghana a nonsense, emano. Eno, Odi Ahenkan. Any BigscoutMedia prempemo. Any many others, only there be. And some also for can almost in a hua and sino butrimu and almost abe classy with so for PENYAH.
Software being so a sabe when Nimua and Combe will say Yami Juma no more yo, ya pratity, ya say a young chateau, comedy Yami Sam, Nicasa debated, and now software we got watching. This nonsense must stop. Timikas I don't have a tea radio station one can get tree. Near 20 years, Pierre radio station one can get tree. So, yeah, oh, and you might be brave or memoir. As you done the politics in tea, a chiakra, who said you best yakana, or being cassa you're offended. No, we must fix our problem and make sure, say, the next generation to come, they will inherit a proper, well cultured community. And yes, that's all following that they say, this nonsense must stop. This nonsense must, Papa Nasi say, well, yakasama not traso. Somebody should pull the brakes on him. Only careful now. In case of yes. I around some. I around some pa. Maybe I more Kumasi. Zuria FM. So Kumasi. Zuria Omuka Kamukasa. How is that near the other? Even Peace FM kwa. Mostati na Aibekasa and Krankasa. Me na di mo continue. More in this our challenge because na ube channel through the owners of the business. Now I can't radio stations say what Ghana. Any Jumaso I can't radio stations say aye. Now betina kaje yet in Ghana ketria. Oh, ofane. Kwa mini Bishop.
Eh,
Kashe gbe. Kashe gbe. Enso kra.
Everybody have you na be between just.
Also for PENYAH Lawrence Tetteh. Ujumedie a oso watu ne din this nonsense must stop. Efa ensema enkoso ene noma enkoso o Ghana ana o de dane de nyina o kasa de fa ho
ene wakwakotena UTV kase this nonsense must stop no adentina nkofo bi tin kran nemum omoka twi kasa wase omotena nkran no omoka nkran kasa no so ka this nonsense no must stop no na ebusuya ansa na beto adwumadie ne so no na mekanfo sikamane adwumakuo ye from pesa e dia mawo ene so oba bruchire ha eno nko an sikamane adwumakuo bogus ye nyina ya gia tum osofo I was expecting you say a brana wo kasa no anka wose ka ga kasa na obeso o promote no anka sa bre no anka mawiase nyina anaka wo de ka wo ka abrofo kakra no na ka wo de ga kasa no afrafre mu but wona wo se ma obi nka twi kasa wo ye enkran no wonya akonya kwotena a national television so a u promote akosikoko broni kasa brofo wonya akonya ekotena efidikese so a national television so a anka obi a wo so o promote epese enkran kasa enkofo bitimi ka no anka at least anka wose ka won kasa yimu no anka wose ka enkran kasa no etimi frafre mu sene be ya anka nipa bi nmu se asema papa yi kan sabi onim de oka but eya kwakwa say eye wotan hunu ana ebia wode tan twifo ana omo ka twi kasa no because obi a wo se yen kan kran de anka won kwotena be bi nkoka brofo kasa wa wu krom ni kan krom kasa ewo ni krom Ghana wo se eye nonsense but wetin akwotena a national television so akwa promote akosikoko akosi broni kasa nemom wa wu krom ni kasa twi kasa na de wo se eye nonsense because omo nka enkran kasa ewo ye enkran nemom omo prefer say omeka twi kasa ewo nkran but momodo do na motinkran eka brofo osofo eduru kwasiada na wo preachi enye brofo kasa na wo preachi eduru kwasiada na wo preachi wo de brofo kasa na preachi anka sebi kanidie kwan so na ka ubu enkran kasa no se de wo so ye nkrani anaka ubu nkran kasa na anka at least wo de nkran ebe preachi na ebia wama translator bi anase obi obekirechire mu de akọ brofo kasa na ka obi e wo se leadership by example but eduru kwasi adana wo preachi wo wa sori dem o ka brofo nko na wo ka wo wa sori dem on kan kra kasa obi enso no o pese o force yen se chenchine kan ye betran kran ya yen ka enkran kasa na yen ga twi kasa no sabi opanyini uti bi wo hefa twi kasa no obi anfo so obi ase won ka twi kasa no ebra na yen yede ye ma ye tete ye ma yede ye kasa tete ye ma yede twi kasa na tete ye ma no na mo de brofo kasa na tete mo ma ebra na yen akanfo yen asantefo yede twi kasa no tete ye ma wo fie no na mo se yede ya bon yanko school yen te brofo etimumu binum sabi mutwa yempoa edidi atem se asantefo akanfo yempe school ko enu nti ne yente brofo no esuni yenim ehun sunsanso adaache ebetumi de abre enchirima akan ana asantefo ko so de yekrom kasa twi kasa no etete yema no o se ene twi kasa na adominate ama ene ebia mumudia na ana monkana kasa no ana mumu so no mu root kasa no yese ekofom because mu choose obi kasa over mo kasa enu nti na ne mo kasa no yira mo kasa no ekofom na se mo kasa no yira mo kasa no ekofom na ye na yetimi promote ye kasa ema ye ne ye kasa na de ntre ha ye betima kasa Ghana kuronum no ye pe kasa pa ye kana dodo na twi kasa no ye na yese no mo ba betan se obi ka twi kasa wo ye enkran this nonsense must stop eso mo de brofo kasa na etete mo ma wo fie mo de brofo kasa na etete mo ma wo fie so ba asante mantemu a obi mfo so obi ase chenchene twan ka twi kasa o one na wobesua because majority of the people the padodo na omo eye kroni mu no omo ka twi kasa it one na besua enu nti ana twi kasa no agentre ha because ye de atete ye ma ye de digwa ye de aye bibia to ba aye asante mantemu a yembu obi krom kasa animtia o yemfo so obi ase onka aye twi kasa o ye wo sesala kusasi ye wo frafra ye wo dagomba ye wo ye kan say ye wo nkranfo ye wo ahunafo ho omu nyina ka aye omu ahuna kasa but onu afili se obesua twi kasa na ka ho a obesua ka ho because ebeboa no kwa bi so nu osua de aka ho idi ebese ye nuanom a anase ye papa mu mpanifo a munya akonya kwatena ye TV so a aya mutimi keke kansem bi man koye se ase ye na santefo ye ho ya ye monyin monjai ye nya boni bia boni be na santefo ye de ayemo osofu panyini te se wutimi kwatena TV so ka se this nonsense must stop because obi ten crime or ka eye twikasa e won crime adenti ana won ka eye enkra kasa e won crime eso mo mose mo promote eye mo kasa no mu binu amose mo kasa no yira no munya akonya bia na brofo munya akonya bia na brofo but asantefo nim kasa so mfaso enu ntine ye de twikasa no etete ye ma ebra na mubu ye muhu ye se yen nkurasefo Ghana nko na sebi so bi nka brofo a oyi kurase ni oya atete kwani abra brofo kasa no so ye obi kasa Ghana nko na sebi so obi ka brofo kura no oti a etimi sere no abra sa brofo kasa enye ye kasa akana na prepe make twi na bia me ka twi eti ye dia eye me ma me kasa aye dia atete me etimunjai sa de we ya kamwo se dani de nyina no the small opportunity bi akonya kakra bi amobenya se mo de bekwa kwatena beebi no na mo bese mo kan semi ma eye asantefo ya ba ye mu bi ye beka bi de kiremu a na akwa ese asase pai ama ye nyina akwa akohyem da bi ameka asundwie a ye nyina yatim wo Ghana no emu fadodo na afiri yen akanfo yen asantefo yen yama Ghana asundwie agina brane because ye pe abusuakuo a yetimi ka ensem ya ene kire omo pa asantefo akanfo yen ene kasa ensem ne de kire yen emane ya ba yen so na o ka bi de kire ya yen fiu ba susuan pa se ma asantefo ama anase ma akan ni bi kwatena radio so TV so na won ko kan sem bi fa abusuakuo foforo bi ho anka ho na be woni padodo a on baji twi abo avura ba bia TV station na na radio station wo na se be so makwa akoye basabasa ye wo ho but so obi kwatena TV so radio so na wo kan sem boni bi e de fa asantefo anase akanfo ho a ye fa ne se ye normal se mo be say this nonsense must stop mundin kan ensua mu krom kasa no mundin kan fo mu krom kasa no enye bibia se ne beya afoforo so akono amomo so asua na akwotena radio so kwotena TV so na wo preach against obi kasa na emom anase wo preach se obi enyusu kasa na emom na wo preach se obi enyusu kasa no wo yusu obi nsu krom kasa a akosikokko broni kasa ana wotewa na woka eso wo sim obi nkatwi won kran eso wo ten kran ana wo ka brofo ebeda na wo krom kasa no sebi aye ni pampo akono ebeda na nkran kasa no a opese ye nyina yesua aka no ebeda na aye akono ame akabi obi be kasa o ana so waka kura na ye nti ase at least so waka no de brofo no ana de twi no kura frafra at least ba ko mienu bi ebeka ya adwum ebeka yitrim ofa ne ye nyina ya nim se nkran kasa yete ase ba ko te se onya so me yete ase
hwe mo me hwe azan sofo no hwe miracle bi a wo perform obi na 3914 ti o ma na ye pe ama no acquire azan. Hey. Oh yeah, the bonfire. Hey. Brady Yankopon. And you're na baby. Reverend Lawrence Tetteh. The word Reverend, I don't want to use that title for him because he don't deserve it. Azan Lawrence Tetteh. Oh, bonfire movie na 13. I don't blame you. Me blame you. Omo auditorium honum no. And a problem. Abusia John 14:12. Ose se moji media mo be ye ma me yi ne ma ye de chance because me kwa agya ne nchen. Papa e wonfiri nyame nti sa miracle no ntimi perform. Enye se o ye miracle na ehu ana ye wanwan da bi. So woji nyame dia obetimi aye a chance John 14:12 ba wonfiri nyame. So fu bia ni ho a ofiri nyame a obeye de papa yi. Onka LGBTQ ho asema o say it is nonsense or kind of word nonsense. The word nonsense define him. Or a penny will be our D61. The word nonsense define him. So ND's MPP time. Obet na obet kasafa LGBTQ home. Na NDC ababa NDA won't mean can you be one and the president of the land. Bossy he. Ralph Papa. Ralph the fellow Ghanaian Papa. Akwa or the Ghana for be dear also a social activist. And then or Pegana ye MPP by NDC by when me yes those are the people who I hate. Many pa me chinu as you be a hypocrite. I hate someone who is so hypocrite. I can nowhere stand and say me cassette will be or yet but truly NDC ni never because me will be or pen or crisis and crofone. Who you and him so or ha I know NDA you are put on chin so the boom. Now you are doing so the Ghana for be diagro. Dear, then you tend to be hypocrite. Sanko for me no any shiada. Zana mo de Ghana ha say. Mun ni me who say. Ni azan tribalism ashane ma. MPP time obegina ho beye nsem hunu keka nsem hunu freni ma asem fa LGBTQ ho. NDC for PRE. Eden NDC by the won't mean can when the first gentleman of the land ebo siri. Nyame ahu. Na mo amotene na ase no munsua nyansa masa eda ne duru na se mo ne mo sofuri nyina e ko jani ma mo kwaye se ne edi sofu ya chi o mfiri nyame. God never knows this man. He is not from God. The oye no e movie mu miracle no ye az o de ma mo mpa ma mo honkron nkyere mo honkron timi mu ye nipadua na Nyankopon asole dan Nyankopon wonte ade ya nipa da sane di ne nsa asimo. It is in the scripture. Go and read. Me sofu na metia if you don't know. Otinipa akumem nti wo kwa asori bia bompa ye esere won konkono se won kire wo kwan na akotena asori dem ho no wayira ye heptomize mo de sofo ka bia na muti a masa nyame hu mobo ode mu nyina ekose yem before the politics afra ne ho azan performing azan miracle mo tene ho sofo on penka bomu opese jato Ghana because ako free tribe bi minti en kasentia tribe timi betena simpie so it is nonsense too. It is nonsense like yourself. So one nyansa say we kandini wo di nipa bebre anim to be kanyansa sama kire o man no. It is nonsense to yourself. So akonya tena camera anim TV station ko wiase af Ghana nyina the most watch station TV station in Ghana UTV okotena ho no o kan sem hunu friend ma asem say it is nonsense to for a private individual to set up and then there to speak tree without Ghana. It is nonsense like you open your mouth to say that nonsense. It is nonsense like yourself. Nyame hu mobo mfiri nyame o me sure say rap the fellow Ghanaian abusuani no mo di nipa adwene di agro o tena asore dem a it's time for you to wake up. Nyame ankonkron o ya azan cha okuwa ye ma nyame be expose wo. It is time si nyame nkonkron akire mo a mo tene nan so de mo ko say ye mo nsore na mo nkopa asore papa bi nko na asore ne mfiri nyame because the be mo say na asore mfiri nyame so for de no for amanyosem o mfiri nyame sofwa ode a tiny yaw krofuko bi ho ahye ne mu sofwe se ndi so firi nyame amane tumi na so obi ya asantini ana kani na oba ne nase na obepem moa ommoa no omfiri nyame nti nyame na meka akire mo nti mu de ma mu ntie na mo nsore waka na mo nkopem nkwaje ara omo mba asase so mbe from ejapade o tina bible kan no se onye omo se ma awurade nya na be ko osoro ahemam Lawrence Tetteh achi a MDCPR achi a me se wayira nya nkwaje na wo hwehwe no mu de ma mo nsore waka na mo ntu ana mo ara na da ne duru ho a ma mo mpem nkwaje wo kwan no want na mfa na adwene nya wiase agapade nyina Bible so nya wiase agapade nyina na ahwere nkwa mfa so be ne wo so azanfo we de wiase agapade no mo hwe mo ntwetwe akra ma Nyankopɔn na wiye mmemu no omo kra me nkote it is nonsense for private individual to set up there without speaking tree and there. It is nonsense for you to open your nonsense mouth to say that nonsense to your nonsense self. You see Abeche Ubia, the name still remains Nada, the untouchable, the neck presser, Makram.
Ubeto achire wa adwene amame. Ewa comment section. Ayi PENYAH BigscoutMedia. Accra.